I'm going to show you where the rear seat tether is in a Honda CR-V in case you want to install a car seat like I'm doing now. Now this is a 6th generation Honda CR-V. Model year began in 2023, so if yours looks a little bit different, this is what we're working with here. So on the back here you're going to see there's 2 seat tether locations on these rear seats. And at first you might be wondering, oh, do I just have to remove this? Well, no, it's actually right below here. There's a slot cut open, and you can see that's where the seat tether goes. So I've got my car seat right here, and I just take my tether, and you just kind of direct it right below that little picture right there. And then you can hear it clip, and then you can just go ahead and tighten the car seat. Just looking at the one on the other side here, again, the seat tether icon is here, or the picture is here, but you don't remove that. It's actually right below it. There's a little slot cut open where you can access the rear seat tether. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.